Hi everybody, this is Kathy from Kathy's Creative Crafts and More. Welcome back to our channel. I was just about to say Cats I'll Create. Do apologize, that's still in my head. So anyways, today I am coming along with our the mail I received for our mini spring swap tag, flip tag that me and Tree hosted from for spring. Oh my goodness. Anyway, so my partner was, or the person that was gonna send to me was Brenda from Brenda's Creations here on YouTube. I will link all the ladies down in the description below so you guys could go over, check everybody out and see what everybody received and what everybody made. So anyways, let me go ahead and start opening this, and I am so excited. So it was supposed to be a flip tag with 4 embellishments, shaker, at least 3 to 5 tags, mini tags. Everything had to be mini. A tassel, I can't even say that word right. And let me see what else. That's what I can remember from offhand. And of course, me and Tree posted this. And what we do on our swaps, we basically create everything first, and then we pair everybody up. The way we pair everybody up is like a domino effect. It's not person to person. So, oh my goodness, I already saw some cuteness. So, OMG, you guys, she sent me a box, and it's not mini. Okay, so let's go ahead and see. Oh my goodness, this tissue paper is so cute. So cute. Okay, so I will open the box last, but look at how cute. She decorated it so well, and I think you open it, yeah, you open it upwards. So let me go ahead and show you guys. Look at how cute. And this bunny is such a cute bunny. I love this die cut. And she made the flowers, and then I don't know if she made these or she store bought these, but those are so cute. And the butterfly, it's a punched out butterfly, I believe, and that is so cute. And then she put trim right here with some bling. OMG, this is gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Oh, I got a box. Okay, let me go ahead and put it to the side, and let's go ahead and open this one. Okay, and I think we had to also do a mini pocket letter, which is mini pocket letter, is that what it's called? Oh my goodness. Anyway, so it had to be the 3, only the 3, not all 9. And OMG, this is so adorable. Oh my gosh, I loved everything she did to it, and I love how it coordinates and goes so well. I have such a hard doing pocket letters. So oh my gosh, this is so cute. I love how she did the ribbon effect, and this, as you guys could see, it's the same thing as over here, and this takes so much time just to do that. OMG. And look at in the back, you guys. So she put all the extra stuff so you can see it openly, and OMG, how cute. OMG, you guys. Let me see if I feel like my light's a little off. There you go. How cute. I'm not gonna pull them out because you guys could see. Okay, well, I gotta pull these out. There's a carrot. There's this Easter egg. How cute. This paw. Oh my goodness, these bunnies are so cute. Oh my goodness, I have not seen these at all. So over here, let me go ahead and show you guys. So what she did, she had a piece of cardstock. She went ahead and layered right here. She layered a piece of another cardstock. Oh my god, it's so cute. And then this looks like a sticker, and then she put either stickers or pieces of ephemera, and then right here she went and, are those, oh my goodness, OMG, I thought these were like the Nuvo drops. They are not Nuvo drops. These are like the little small little beads, kind of like beads. So oh my goodness, imagine. Oh my gosh, that takes so much time to do. OMG. And then she went get Stella the middle, or stickled this middle. So cute. But all these beads, you guys, she put them in here. Look at you guys. I don't know if you guys could see. I don't know if you guys could see the beads. trying to show you guys. I don't know if the camera picks them up. And this is a cute sticker. Love the sticker. And this is another sticker right here, and then the chick sticker. OMG, this is so gorgeous. Oh my goodness, love it, Brenda. Oh my goodness. Let me see what the other one is. And I like these because I can use these. Oh, and these are the extras, so it was one to two extras. And thank you, because I was running out of these. Oh, how cute. And then she sent me these. Oh, how cute. Look at you guys. Oh my gosh. And then she sent me some more of these puffy stickers. How cute, because I was like actually out. Thank you so much. Let me see the next one. Put that there, put that there. And oh my gosh. So there was supposed to be a crafter choice. Oh my gosh. I think this is her crafter choice. She made a mini album, you guys. As I'm opening, I'm remembering. How cute is this, you guys? She made a mini album. OMG. Look at how cute. So she put trim right here. And then she went ahead and die cut. Oh my goodness. This is layers upon layers. Oh, actually, she did cardstock. Unless it's already... No, it's a die cut. So she went ahead and did a cardstock, and then she layered with, oh my god, glittered cardstock on the top. She did some pom-pom right here, and then she had a punch, kind of like I want to say scallop, but it's not a scallop, trim right here on the bottom. It's the yellow one. And then oh my goodness, and then the butterflies, she punched those out. How cute. Unless she die cut them, and she put some bling right here, and then she put some of the roses here. She did the flowers right here with the bling right here. OMG. And I think these are the ones that are handmade, the flat pearls. Oh my goodness. And this is so cute. Oh my gosh, I love it. Thank you, Brenda. Oh my gosh. And I have this paper pad, and it is from Recollections from Michael's, one of the Hot Buys. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. And then she went ahead and layered the back right here. I love this. This is awesome. I love it. Thank you so much. So let me go ahead and pull this out of the way so you guys can see. And let's go ahead and open this one. So I'm assuming this is where the tag flip is at. Oh my goodness. Kathy. Oh, there's so many goodies. Look at her card. Oh my gosh, she amazes me. She is very talented in her crafting. That is so cute. Oh my goodness. Aww, she's just happy and excited, and she had fun creating. How cute. I know I had so much fun creating what I created too. And there's some of the grass right here. Awesome. And then she put some styrofoam glitter balls from Dollar Tree. And I haven't seen this one. I'm assuming it's Dollar Tree too, so we'll see. And then, oh, it fell. That's okay. And this is the tag. Wait, is this like this or like this? This is a cute bow. Is this made out of... So this is her tag. This is such a cute bow. Oh my goodness. I can't stop looking at it. How cute. This is a cute bow. So this is her tag with some bows in there. And these are the mini bows, because we did have to have 2 mini bows, I think. Oh my goodness. And these are her rosettes, and I believe we also had to have mini rosettes. And these, they kind of got stuck together. There you go. How cute. And then she did this butterfly. She put some tulle on the bottom, and there are the rosettes right here. How cute. So cute. And then lollipops, yummy. And then she has a bunny here, and let me see. Oh my goodness, look at her tag. OMG, how cute. I like how she put these pearls in here. Where did you get these? Where did you get these adorable things? Oh my gosh, I want to get some. So here's her mini tassel, and she did the mini tassel, and then she put some bling on around here. And here's another one, and here is the tag. So she went ahead and decorated. Oh, sorry, I'm looking out over here. Okay, so she went ahead and did the tag. She went ahead and did a oh my gosh, you guys, when you're on camera you forget stuff, sorry. So she put some flowers here, some pink thread, and an eyelet. There you go. See, it takes me a minute. And then she put a small charm in here. How cute! Love this charm. This is so cute. Oh, is this part of it? Oh no, it's separate. So how cute. This is so cute, you guys. Look at it. So she put this little charm right there. This is another tassel, I believe. Did she make this? It looks like it's been handmade as well. Okay, so here is another tag, and she put a rosette on here and some of the gold trim right there, and she put a bunny with a little tail, and then she put these cute little flat pearls. And here is her shaker tag, and I love her little bow. And there's a shaker right there, and then that's a cute little flower and some trim on the bottom. And there's another one with an eyelet as well. And she just put those little, oh my goodness, these are so small. These little flat pearl beads, oh my goodness. And then a flower right there. And OMG, and she did the same effect on this one, and this takes so much time, you guys, so much time. And the little bunny and the little egg right there, and I love this one's like a flower eyelet. How cute. And here's another one, and she put some trim on here. There's a bunny right there. She went ahead and did a what is that called? Oh my god, not Wingastella, but stickle right here. And look at this cute little flower. Oh my goodness. And she put all those blings around there, you guys. And then she sent me some trim. And oh, thank you. I don't know where you guys got this trim. This is so beautiful. Oh my goodness. Amber from Delight Creations sent me her creations. And she put some of these on there. Was it Amber? Oh my goodness. No. Oh my goodness. I'm lost. Oh my goodness. I'm so totally lost right now. Oh my goodness. And there you go. Somebody sent it to me. Oh my gosh, I'm like so lost. I just remember the color green right now. I am so lost right now. Oops. Sorry, I apologize. I will probably do a correction name on the bottom somewhere right here. So I do apologize for that. Because you guys know I forget everything. And then, oh, she sent me some more beads here. How cute. Look at you guys. There's a bunny bead. There's a bunny one in here. You guys see that? There's some bunnies. Oh my gosh, how cute. Okay, let me pull this out. Make sure there's nothing in there. And some candy, some more candy. Oh my gosh, Brenda. You really outdid yourself. And then, oh my goodness, more beads. Oh my goodness, and she sent me some of these bunnies. OMG. How cute. And then, oh, I have not seen, where did you get these? Oh my goodness, I love these. And she sent me some of these. These are so cute too. I have not seen these anywhere, so oh my gosh, this is so awesome to have in, oh, sorry guys, so awesome to have in my collection. I have not seen these. These are lovely colors, love the colors, and I just love these bows. So do, Brenda, let me know where you got these. These are amazing. Look at the star, you guys. I might not, you know what, it's probably that I don't go to the stores that much. That's why I don't know where it comes from. So thank you so much. You guys go over to all the ladies' channels to check out what they received. Oh my goodness. I can't wait to see what everybody did receive and what everybody created. And oh my gosh, this was like so much fun to make. And that's why we like to do it like that, because we like for you guys to enjoy yourself while you guys are making this, instead of stressing over, oh my gosh, I'm making for this certain person. You are making for yourself basically, but gifting it to somebody else. So anyways, hopefully you guys could join us on our next swap. We're not too sure when that's going to be, but thank you again for taking the time to watch. And Tree, thank you for being my partner in crime. Ladies who participated, thank you so much. I am having so much fun with these swaps. Hopefully you guys are having some fun, because I know some of you guys are repeated people that have joined our swaps, and this is so much fun. Anyways, thank you again for taking the time to watch, and we'll see you guys on our next video. Bye for now.